Cool Kicks YouTube channel. We are out in Louisville, Kentucky. They just opened. Let's go. Starting with the active section, University of Kentucky. Salute to service. This is fire, dude. This is actually dope. They're letting this go for $20. Normally $52. That's pretty fire. Mizzou, University of Missouri. Nike hoodie right here. Normally $65 down to $20. Kentucky long sleeve Nike shirt. $15, normally $35. Back in the large. This is not a brand that I know much of. Spider jacket right here. I've been seeing a lot of this at Burlington's and Ross. Dude, the material on this seems really, really nice. $40 says. Normally $170. The material is just really nice on those. NFL team apparel. Got a lot of Colt stuff that we've seen $20 for those. Saw this in, oh, another one? Got another one right here in an XL, $17. This is actually really nice. This is more of a sweatshirt this time. $68 normally. That's an XL. Indiana Pacers pullover. It's really, really thin. This is U brand, like budget, team apparel type of stuff. These go for $13. Bengals team apparel. $20 for those bad boys. OSU jacket, fleece jacket. This is an XL though. Checking out the clearance section. I thought this whole store was a clearance section. Apparently they have additional clearance stuff. Nike. Got Nike Colts. There's a large 80 down to, marked down to $30. Got ugly holiday sweaters if you need some of those. Maybe it's regular holiday stuff. It's just ugly to me. I don't know. All right, let's look at sneakers. Got some Adi foams right here. These are the real ones. $40 for those in a smaller size. Finding a ton of cleats in this area. These are huge. $25 for those bad boys. Another one right here. What size is this? This is a size 8. Going for $25. Got a ton of these. Seen them in so many sizes. This is a size 7 right here. Some Puma basketball sneakers. These came out similar to when the J. Cole's came out. Forgot the name of those. We had $30 for those bad boys. Another one of these bad boys. These are going for $30. These are 9.5? Yeah, I think these are 9.5. I think these are what I need for my kiddo. $30. I think these are pretty nice ones. Some Cocoonis going for $50. Another one, the alarm's going off on this one already. Another one, $50. Dang it. Phantom React Flyknits right here. These are size 13, go for $45. NMDs right here down to $45. These are size 12. That's good because we've been seeing these for $60, right? Got some of the Tayshans right here. First time seeing these. At a discount store, $35 for these bad boys. These look good. I'm not a fan of that color though. Another one of these. This one is a 10.5. Vapor Edge Elite. These normally go for like $2. They're down to $30 here. This is a size 11. That is dope. Dude, got some Pegasus Next Natures, $55. That's a size 11. All right, seeing more and more stuff here now. This is pretty dope. Got a New Era Colts beanie right here. This is the nice one with the lining and stuff like that. $10 for that one. I think this is the one where I found the Niners one, right? Did I find a Niners one like this? Oh, no, I found a hat. I haven't found a beanie yet. Do also got one of these. This is a New Era. It doesn't have the lining, but $15 for these Bengals ones. And they got a different one right here. These are normally $32. This is New Era as well. I got a Pacers. This is a 47 brand one. These are down to $8. Great. Now this one's going off. Dang it. All right. Let me go pay for this stuff. Store number 2. Active gear. I already see a nice little soccer jacket right here. Nike 95 down to $29.99. That's pretty dope. That's really thin though, but dope. Got an Adidas Dame hoodie. This is a medium right here. This is pretty. Damn, dude. Who the hell's choking out the. God damn, dude. Let the man breathe. 85 down to 25. This is actually really dope if you got some Dame gear. That's nice. Nike poofy jacket. This is really nice. This is really nice. $1.60 normally, down to $70. That's cool. Lakers team apparel. This is like NBA apparel. U brand, $20 double XL. Moving on to the sneakers. They got the guide 16s right here. Some Sauconys go for $70. Superstars right here. We saw a bunch of these yesterday. These are size 10, going for $40. NMDs. These are still priced at $60 right here. Then more of these. Another one of these in a bigger size. And of course, plenty of these. Checking out the women's section. 11.5. This comes extra dirty. $50 for the Sauconys. And then got some KDs. These definitely are not women's. These are men's. These are men's, like big as hell. Going for $50. That's a dope colorway too. I got some Vans skate highs right here. Price unknown. These have been going for like $35, I think. Store number 3 just opening up. I ain't been finding nothing at Marshall's, but some of y'all have, so that's why I'm checking this store. They got stuff like this. Nike swim t-shirt, $10. New Balance jacket right here, going for $30. Adidas hoodie right here. This bad boy's down to $25. Then this hoodie right here, down to $25. That's about it, man. Running pants from New Balance down to $20. Shoe section right here. We already know how this is gonna go. Yeah, what the hell is this? Waffle debuts. They still going for $40. Fresh Foam 1080s. That's actually not bad. That's actually not bad. What? No, that ain't it. That ain't it. No laces, nothing. Yeah, that's as expected. All right, next up. I just realized, look at this. They have all the seasons here. We're definitely not used to that. Look at all the autumn leaves. That's nice. That's nice. We're not used to that in LA, man. That's definitely the fanciest Waffle House I've ever seen. Apparently in the nicer neighborhood right here in Louisville. Last stop. Got a Ross. Nike swim t-shirts here, go for $20. Puma long sleeve. It's gotta be like $15. Project Rock t-shirts down to $15. That's hella bright though. Nike track jacket with the ventilation. $35, normally $85. Puma hoodie right here. This is actually nice. It's super thick, normally $55, $30 for those. Got a couple of them. Callaway poofy jacket down to $33. These are usually pretty pricey, normally $95. North Face hoodie right here down to $40. Normally $110. I thought these were Lakers starter jackets. They're not bad. They're not bad. It is U brand. Normally $125 down to $30. That's not that bad. Yeah, that's not bad at all, actually. That's not bad at all for $30. Got one in XL here as well. Those ain't bad at all. Some of y'all have been finding starter jackets. I've been checking. Just letting y'all know I've been checking the jacket section, the coat section here, Burlington. And I ain't found no starter jackets. in multiple states. That's some BS, doggies. That's BS. This is the entire sneaker section. Not finding nothing. Nothing. Technically, that means I'm finding something. But yeah, not really finding anything, guys. Nothing much. Just Uggs like that. The Trae Youngs. We've been finding these Trae Youngs like everywhere. And got some forums going for 45. That's pretty much about it, you guys. Pretty much about it. Did check for beanies and that type of stuff. Didn't really find much, but yeah, got plenty coming. Gonna stop by some more stores, mall, Nike outlet. So stay tuned, man. Got plenty coming, you guys. See you. All right, up pretty early in the morning. Got to hit some stores up. But yeah, do got a decent little breakfast. Not too bad. No bacon or no eggs or nothing like that. But they do have waffles right here. Fresh waffles. Got some yogurt. I think I'm just going to eat a couple of yogurts. I ate one already. I think I'm going to eat one more. They do have like bagels and stuff like that. Got cream cheese, milk. And then got some cereal. I don't think I've eaten cereal in like 15 years. So maybe I'll have some cereal too. Out here before they open, I feel like I'm at a stakeout, dude. Look at that. Like, they got additional protection just in front of the regular doors. Dang, fool, you're messing up my stakeout, dog. Dang, fools.